Today we have the SPK Unlimited Lamia. It's the Blackout Nature Grip in Vanex. I really like these red rum blackout versions. Yeah, this thing's cool. I'm carrying it quite a bit. Got a nice Vanex blade. Got it kind of scuffed up. I've been using the heck out of this thing the last week and a half or so. Some gardening. Cut up some blackberry vines off with it. Yeah. Nice slicey, very thin blade. Very smooth action. Yeah, I've just been enjoying using this thing. I haven't been babying it at all or anything. It's getting a little scuffed up. That's okay. Definitely a great knife to carry around for a user. We are it's like 7 5/8 inch overall, 3.5 inch blade. Very handy, nice lightweight knife. Super happy with this. Kind of wanted to check one out for a long time. These blackout versions really caught my eye. Seen them drop, just went for it. This can be kind of tricky to get a hold of. I wouldn't pay the secondary prices. People try to get like $400 or $500 more than what they sell for. They just buy them and try to flip them. Don't buy those. Buy it straight from the maker. Check out their website. We try to get in their Discord and find out when the drops are or something. Definitely do not pay scalpers or flippers over what they're selling for directly. Yeah, this thing is great. So typically don't like the real skinny handles, but this thing's been fine. Comfortable. Really good slicey user. Nature grip looks cool. Feels good too. It's got a little traction for you. Yeah, this finish is really deep. Actually, I sent Alex a message asking him how he does this, and he, instead of just replying, he sent me a video of what he uses, which I thought was really cool.
It's plant food. A little bit of that in distilled water. Then you got your cathode and your anode, and then you just anodize it like you would any other thing. Puts a coating on it. It's just a coating.
Yeah. It's making cool stuff. SPK Lamia. I got a little bit of cardboard here. slice right through it. No problem. It's a great little blade. I haven't been holding back at all using this, so can't really see all the scuffs, but they're there. Yeah, really enjoying this thing. Great little knife. There it is. The Lamia. Thanks for watching.